Welcome to Earth's RX Foods, where we break down science-backed foods that help you live longer, feel better, and take control of your health naturally. Nothing in this video is medical advice. This content is for educational purposes only. Always work with your healthcare professional for your personal needs. Your gut lining is only one cell thick, and when it gets damaged, everything falls apart. Bloating, food sensitivities, inflammation, skin issues, even anxiety. But the good news? There are certain foods proven to repair the gut lining, strengthen the microbiome, and reduce inflammation naturally. Today, we're covering 10 foods that heal the gut lining, backed by research. Let's get into it. 1. Bone broth. Bone broth contains collagen, glutamine, and glycine, which help seal gaps in the gut lining. Studies show glutamine supports intestinal barrier integrity and reduces inflammation. Here are the best ways to consume bone broth. Warm broth on an empty stomach, or use it as the base for soups. 2. Fermented vegetables. Kimchi, sauerkraut, pickled veggies. These are loaded with probiotics, which help rebuild gut flora and reduce bad bacteria. They also help produce short-chain fatty acids, SCFAs, the fuel your gut lining needs. Here's a quick tip. 1 to 2 tablespoons with meals can make a huge difference. 3. Kefir or low-sugar yogurt. Dairy or non-dairy kefir contains 30 to 50 different probiotic strains, far more than yogurt. This diversity helps patch up damage in the gut by improving microbiome balance. Choose between unsweetened and low-sugar versions only. You can add fruits to your yogurt for extra flavor. 4. Blueberries. Blueberries are rich in polyphenols and anthocyanins that protect the gut lining from oxidative stress. Research shows they improve mucosal integrity and reduce inflammation. Blueberries also boost beneficial bacteria like Akkermansia. 5. Slippery elm or marshmallow root. These are mucilaginous herbs, meaning they create a protective coating along the digestive tract. They soothe irritation, reduce acid, and help repair damaged tissue. These herbs are great in tea, powder, or capsule form. 6. Wild-caught salmon. Salmon is loaded with omega-3 fatty acids, which reduce inflammation and strengthen the intestinal barrier. This is especially helpful if your gut issues come from stress, antibiotics, or processed foods. 7. Ginger. Ginger promotes motility, kills harmful bacteria, and reduces inflammation. It also stimulates digestive enzymes, making it easier for your gut to repair itself. Here's an easy option. Ginger tea first thing in the morning. 8. Pumpkin seeds. Rich in zinc, which plays a key role in repairing the gut lining and producing stomach acid. Low stomach acid is one of the root causes of gut damage and bloating. Try eating 1/4 cup per day of pumpkin seeds. 9. Chia seeds. When soaked, chia seeds create a gel-like texture that coats and soothes the gut. They also provide fiber that feeds good bacteria and enhances intestinal repair. Pro tip: soak chia overnight in water or almond milk to reduce bloating. 10. Olive oil, extra virgin. Olive oil is anti-inflammatory, antioxidant-rich, and helps strengthen the intestinal barrier. It contains oleocanthal, which works similarly to ibuprofen, without the side effects. You can use it raw over salads or drizzle it on foods after cooking. Bonus: the #1 gut-damaging food to avoid: highly processed seed oils, soybean, corn, canola, safflower, and vegetable oil. These cause inflammation, damage the gut lining, trigger leaky gut, and disrupt the microbiome. Switch to olive oil, avocado oil, coconut oil, or grass-fed butter. Another great option is algae cooking oil. If you found this helpful, make sure to like this video and subscribe for weekly science-backed foods that help heal your body naturally. In the next video, we're breaking down 10 foods that destroy your hormones. You won't want to miss it.